Good morning. Ralph Waldo Emerson said that true health is wealth. What does this mean? Today I'm going to talk about vitamins, which is a very kind of basic institute of the study of health, namely vitamin A. I think vitamin A is named very appropriately, A, first and very important. Hopefully by the end of my presentation you will be able to know why it's the most important. I'm going to explain to you what vitamin A is, how you can obtain it, and the dangers of not taking enough and taking too much. Vitamin A was known by scientists in the dawn of the 21st century. The 20th century. However, it wasn't until 1915 that it was actually discovered independently by both McCollum at the University of Wisconsin-Madison and Mendel and Osborne at Yale. So, why do you need vitamin A? Well, the benefits. Vision and eyesight is what vitamin A is mostly associated with, as well as bone growth. So, basically, you take vitamin A, you'll have good eyes. Don't take it, you'll have bad eyes. Same with the rest of the list. There are many other things that vitamin A helps you with, but these are the main aspects. This is the vitamin A pyramid. At the bottom is the most ideal source of vitamin A, which is plant sources. In the middle is animal sources, and at the top is supplements, which is actually a synthesized and unnatural way to get vitamins, but sometimes necessary. A good example is in the underprivileged and developing world, where the pyramid is actually unfortunately turned upside down, most commonly, where supplements is how people have to take their vitamin A. This is from many reasons, but ironically, it's Skittles that says, taste the rainbow. But really, this is how you should view your diet in general. This little cup of Skittles is one way that you should ideally get your vitamin A, which is from these three different colors mostly: orangish yellow, dark green, and orange. What does this mean? Well, in plant sources, mostly it's from carrots. You can get vitamin A very, very extensively from carrots. Also leafy vegetables such as kale, spinach, and broccoli. As far as fruits, most of them are tropical fruits, which makes it kind of hard for a lot of the world to obtain them: cantaloupe, apricots, papaya, and mango. Next is animal sources. Liver is actually the most common way to get vitamin A. Egg yolk and cheddar cheese are two other good ways. A lot of people know that dairy companies fortify their milk with vitamin A. This is synthesized, but it's another way to get vitamin A. So, actually, by the World Health Organization, WHO, says that it's clinically proven that most of the vitamins, not just vitamin A, is lost in food preparation and storage. So how can we prevent this? Well, you want to keep your produce as cold as possible, and when you can, eat it raw. That means limit the amount of cooking that you put into your food. As far as supplements, you want to keep them dark, dry, and in a room temperature. So why do we need to take vitamin A again? Well, you can really take your pick what could happen if you don't. VADs, vitamin A deficiencies, mostly comprises of blindness, either night blindness or just outright blindness in general. Again, this is very common in the underprivileged world, and you will see more about that later. Again, your immune system is very weakened if you don't take vitamin A, which can put you completely susceptible to infectious diseases. The measles is completely deadly when you don't have a vitamin A base. Again, also decreased bone growth and hopefully not death. Can anyone take a guess about what this statistic is, this number? What is it?
People who die from lack of vitamin A.
Well, I hope not. Close. Sadly, it's close. But the NIH, National Institute of Health, and the Helen Keller Foundation says that this is actually the number of children who go blind every year. 70% of them do die within 12 months of becoming blind simply because they can't fend for themselves. They're children. They can't take care of themselves if they're blind. So take your vitamins, but don't take too much. This is the vitamin A overdose list. Of course, it's not so tragic, but it's still not pleasant. So in conclusion, I've told you a little bit about vitamin A. I've told you how you can get it and what will happen if you take too little or too much. So basically, either taste the rainbow or pop those pills, because one a day really can keep the doctor